Hi design peeps, I'm David, the founder of CSS Peeper. As a designer myself, I built CSS Peeper to solve a real pain. Inspecting styles in DevTools shouldn't be that hard. This Chrome extension will change your workflow forever. You see something cool on the site, you simply click it. CSS Peeper instantly reveals all the juicy details. Fonts, colors, spacing, you name it. You want to move fast? You can enable smart inspection and just simply hover over elements. No clicks needed. Now check this out. CSS Peeper grabs the entire site's color palette and sorts it for you. Backgrounds, border, text styles, you see the full picture. You copy a color or export them all. And yeah, we care about accessibility too. Instantly check contrast ratios and make sure your designs are both beautiful and usable. Need images or icons? We pull everything from the page. Even those sneaky SVGs hiding in the code. You can download them all within one click. Over 500,000 designers and developers are already using CSS Peeper. You wanna try? Grab the free version immediately or start a 7-day trial to test our premium feature. Looks like your workflow just got an upgrade.